I like a meh burger.
Here.
That's disgusting! Give me a new one.
Sorry, I'm on break.
Eggman, what do you want?
Revenge, domination, destruction! But first, a sandwich of some sort.
Why don't you just go to stupid Met Burger like everyone else?
I did, but that simpering jackanapes who works behind the counter was too busy to serve me, and my blood sugar was too low to concoct an evil plan to destroy him. Oh, that's good! And the service was so fast! Giving me your plate was a tad unhygienic, but still I'm impressed.